Hello, my name is Bhavin Suthar. I'm the director of Polygon Energy. Polygon Energy aims at providing complete solutions in the renewable energy space, which includes solar and battery solutions, load monitoring and control, electric vehicles, that includes the bi-directional chargers when they become available, and essentially trying to understand customers' problem and provide a solution that minimizes the import and export of energy from the grid, essentially making the customer self-sufficient. So here we are looking at a project that is installed in Western in the ACT, and this particular customer had an existing 2 kilowatt solar system, after which he was still using about 40 to 50 kilowatt hours per day from the grid. And he had some special loads in terms of in-slab heating, and he had plans for having future electric vehicles. There is another aspect to this project where there is a granny flat where the tenants' energy usage needs to be monitored so that the tenants can be financially incentivized to be able to use energy efficiently. So we proposed a solar and battery system that is a 15 kilowatt solar system and a 10 kilowatt hour battery. Along with that, we have installed a system, a load monitoring and control system that essentially controls 3 loads, as well as it monitors the energy consumption from the tenants' circuit, as well as a few other circuits such as hot water system, the workshop, etc. So the idea is to have visibility of the load or the energy usage, and hence provide important information to the customer in order to make decisions in terms of energy usage. A couple of loads that have been controlled are the in-slab heating and the hot water system. So I will take you through the details of the installation, what sort of gear was used, how it was connected, and how it was installed. So let's go through that now. All right, so what we have here is a SunGrow 10 kilowatt hour inverter. It is a hybrid inverter, and it is paired with a SBR 96, which is a SunGrow 9.6 kilowatt hour batteries, which is expected the system is expected to generate approximately around 40 to 50 kilowatt hours per day, and the storage is approximately 10 kilowatt hours. Okay, what we have here are the 2 switchboards. On the right is the existing the 600 by 600 switchboard, and this is, on the left is the new 600 by 600 board that was installed specifically to house the carbon track control and monitoring system. Now on the top you see here is the carbon track gateway or the energy management system. This gateway essentially connects to the SunGrow hybrid inverter that we saw through the Ethernet cable, as well as it controls up to 3 loads. So at the moment we have configured it so that it controls the hot water system and in-slab heating in 2 areas. At the bottom, what you see is the smart meter, which can take up to 12 inputs. At the moment it's taking 7 inputs, so it's measuring 7 inputs, and the gateway is essentially controlling 3 of them. Now the gateway has the capability to essentially set parameters so that the solar self-consumption of either the 3 loads, which is the hot water system, and the 2-inch slab heating can be controlled as per the solar generation. What's unique about this system is it can monitor the solar as well as control 3 loads. So that's the carbon track system that we have installed, and this on the top it just says shows the aerial layout of the solar system.